Hi guys, my name is Ain. In this video, I will show you guys how to make our floor to have a curved edge like this. Okay, go to the room. Okay, enter the system cabinet function. Okay, since we want to use a super panel, okay, go to the component class under panel type. Okay, take out this super panel. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, next is we want to do the measurement. Okay, adjust the measurement. Okay, we need to make it small. Okay, so adjust to 100. Okay, so next we want to rotate the position. Okay, how to rotate? Just click X on your keyboard. Okay, click X on your keyboard and you can drag this line, this green line. Okay, make sure it's 90°. Okay, so if you notice, our super panel is underneath our floor, so we need to adjust the elevation. Okay, so click Z on your keyboard. Okay, drag the arrow up. Alright, okay, now we want to make it snap to our wall and to the edge of the wall. So just highlight the number here, click on the 0, and also the number here, 0. Okay, it will snap to our wall. Okay, next we want to create the curve. Okay, go to the panel selection mode, so press on B. Okay, right click, edit panel shape. Edit panel shape, click this point here. Okay, let's click on join. Okay, so make sure it's 1. Okay, so next you go to panel edit, scroll down until you find this type, this panel type, outer fillet. Go to the outer fillet, inner fillet, and we'll have our curve like this. Okay, click save and return. Okay, as you can see, the position is inverted. Okay, now we need to adjust the position, so we need to rotate the angle. Click X. Okay, same method, just click X. Okay, okay, make sure it's 90° also. Okay, so we already have our curve shape here. So now we want to adjust the height. Okay, so how to adjust the height? Okay, we need to exit this function. Okay, go to 2D view. Okay, you can see the height is 9067. Okay, enter the function. Okay, so adjust the height to 9067. Enter. Okay, so now we have our floor, have a curved edge like this. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.